While this scene may seem like utter chaos to everyone else, you can't push on that, buddy. I know. I just finished feeding the smallest of our little parrots, and Hilo knows his job, so he immediately came down from his perch. He was sitting up here watching. He immediately came down and said, my job is to let this bird know that food comes in association with other birds. So what he's doing right now is actually grabbing himself a couple bites of the formula. He loves the formula. And then he'll eat some and he'll regurgitate for the baby. He doesn't really get that much up, but it helps to make the connection with the baby that humans are not the single source of food. So that's it. And then these two are just waiting on me to feed them. And I'm here alone right now, so I can't really feed them and videotape, but hopefully today we can do a live feeding if that's something you guys would like to see happen. And welcome to my world. I love it. I wouldn't have it any other way. So that's me and Hilo co-parenting.